Hello, very quick video here on how to upload examples of your lesson plans and schemes of work for sharing. Okay, you'll get an email, looks a little bit like this. Click on that and there will be a link saying fill out form. Click on the link and it should take you straight to a little Google form. Just fill in your details on there. And add your file or files. The easiest way is just to drag them. There we go, there's one. And there's another. They're uploaded. You can now just submit. And it's as simple as that. If you want to add another response or change something, if you realise you've sent the wrong thing, just click on one of these. Otherwise, that's it. You're done. Thanks very much.